When you're trying to treat minor ailments quickly, a video visit through Presbyterian Health Plan is the perfect solution. Get seen quickly, get a prescription if you need one, and get back to life.